Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the warning type for warning sounds in the TomTom Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the sounds and warnings button. And at the top of the page, look for the warning type section and click on that. And as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.